Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off smart downloads in YouTube Music. To do this, you just need to go and open the YouTube Music app. After that, click on your picture on the top right of the screen, and after that go and click on settings. In settings, go directly to the fourth option called downloads and storage, and on it, as you can see here, the smart downloads is activated on my phone. I just need to click on that blue circle so it will be gray, and like that. Just be careful because all the smart downloads will be deleted from your device if you turn it off. If you are okay with that, just click on got it, and like that you will turn off the smart download on or in YouTube Music. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video and